Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to view your saved Instagram passwords on your iPhone. So, let's get started. Method 1. Using Password app. If you are using iOS 25, open up the Password app from your iPhone home screen. Or if you're using iOS 18 or back, then find the Password option in the Settings app. So, here I'm using iOS 26. That's why I have a specific Password app. I'm gonna open it up. Your iPhone will ask to unlock your lock screen here. So unlock it using like Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. Here, you'll see some categories like passkeys, codes, or Wi-Fi. If you look at the bottom, you will see the search bar. Tap on it and search Instagram. If you have multiple accounts, you will see all here. Now just tap on the Instagram account you're looking for, then the screen will show your username and the password, which will initially be obscured by dots. Tap the field showing the dots to reveal the password in plain text. Method 2. Using Google Password. If you saved your Instagram password using Google Password Manager, usually through the Chrome browser, then try this method. Open up the Chrome app, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. That means the same Google Mail that you used for Instagram account. Next, tap on the three dot icon from the bottom right corner, then slide through the menu to get Password Manager, then tap on it. Here, iPhone will ask to unlock your lock screen. Use Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode to unlock the screen. Now use the search bar at the top and type Instagram. Then tap on it. There you have it. Now just tap on the eye icon next to the dots password to reveal it in plain text. And that's it. This is how you can view your saved Instagram passwords on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.